In a world that never stops, sometimes you just need a moment to breathe. Britain is often seen as a land of quaint villages and rolling hills, but some say its wild side is becoming less and less as of late. But if you look a little closer, you'll find that it's still teeming with life. So, let's begin in Wales. What you can probably see behind me is there is a bird table, and it seems quite popular this morning. So I have the camera set up here on the chair, and let's just see what we get.
Where are we? Here comes one now, actually. Speaking of, here we go.
Okay then, shall we sit back, relax, and take a look at the footage?
Almost there, Winnie.
What you doing, Ellie?
I'm getting. Oh, Winnie, she's got some sort of leaf. No, it's not a leaf. It's sticky. What's this? Oh.
I look good, Winnie.
Oh, stylish.
Our journey continued in the stunning, peaceful landscapes of the Elan Valley, with its Victorian dams dating back to the late 1800s and the serene reservoirs they've created. And we didn't have to look hard to find some of its most gentle inhabitants. If you've been watching for a little while, you may have noticed we were here a couple of years ago, because sitting right here are the remains of a ruined dam. Just the edges now, not too much left. Quite easy to miss if you're walking past it, but still here, and it's going to be here for a long time to come yet. Obviously we can't be in Wales without including sheep in our little impromptu nature documentary.
Where's she gone? Oh, go get her.
Go on, Ellie.
Where's Ellie? Where's she gone?
Go get her. Get her.
You got me. Oh.
So you join us in the Cotswolds today for another chapter of our wildlife spotting in Hidcote. We're right in the north of the Cotswolds, and it's actually, I think it's the hottest day of the year so far. What's the temperature?
I think it's 33 degrees today.
Yeah.
So that's hot.
Wonderful temperature to be sitting in the sun, completely still, waiting for wildlife. I'm pretty impressed with what we're managing to get so far. Obviously, we've only seen some bees, but I'm sure there's some more stuff around. There's definitely some butterflies. Butterflies and bees.
Yeah,
so far.
That's the special. The butterflies and bees. Ooh.
Speaking of. Now, once more, it's time to relax and enjoy the footage. So often the best way to feel at one with nature is to get lost on a big adventure within it. And so our journey led us to the most iconic peak in South Wales. Special guest climbing with us. All the way up there.
Hello.
Hello.
I look preppy for my...
Very, very fashionable climber.
You said it's an easy one.
We are climbing via the motorway route, it's called, the most popular route up, the most direct. It's only about 6 kilometers, so that's good.
Yeah.
We're almost at Penny Fan, we're just gonna have a bite to eat soon. Well, you made it.
Yeah.
There you are.
Oh, I made it, yeah.
You made it. It was difficult?
A little bit. I'll lose my foot. My legs are all right, but yeah, the best. Not really good.